Okay, boys and girls, today we are going to be working with continuing our length in U.S. customary and U.S. metric. So today we're going to be learning about the conversion chart. So we're going to need our notebook, and we're going to title our notebook page length dash U.S. customary. U.S. customary is the form of measurement we use in the United States. Everywhere else in the world uses the metric system, which we will be getting to later on. So for U.S. customary, our first amount or measurement of length is inches and foot or feet. So we're going to do the conversion. So there are 12 inches and 1 foot. And one way that we're going to learn how to model this is anytime we get a problem or a question that asks how many inches are in a foot, or how many inches are in a foot, excuse me, we're going to create a T-chart. So we're going to create a T-chart, and we're going to label it with inches and foot or feet. I'm going to draw /feet. Okay? So if we know there are 12 inches in 1 foot, in 2 feet there would be 24 inches. In 3 feet there would be 36 inches. In 4 feet there would be 48 inches. And in 5 feet there would be 60 inches. And we could keep going, but if we can see the pattern, then we won't have to keep going. If we look here, we are going in multiples of 12. So every foot we add another 12. So 1 foot is 12 inches, 2 feet, 24 inches, which is 2 12s, 3 feet is 36 inches, which is 3 12s, 4 feet is 48 inches, which is 4 12s, 5 feet is 60 inches, which is 5 12s. So if we remember there are 12 inches in 1 foot, we can always just draw the T-chart and skip count by multiples of 12. The second conversion we're going to do is also inches, but we're going to look at inches and yards. Now there are 36 inches in 1 yard. Okay, so 36 inches equals 1 yard. Again, if we create a T-chart with inches and yards, we can again use our model of multiples or skip counting. So if 1 yard is 36 inches, 2 yards, 72. 3 yards, 108. 4 yards, 144. 5 yards, 180. And again, we could keep going, but we don't have to, as long as we know that 36 inches is 1 yard, and 1 yard is 36 inches. And we're just skip counting by 36. So 1 yard is 36. 2 yards would be 2 sets of 36, which would be 72. 3 yards would be 3 sets of 36, which would be 108, and so on and so forth. Okay? So then we're going to continue down on our customary, and we're going to do feet equals yards. 3 feet equals 1 yard. Feet, yards. Again, we're going to continue. If we know our knowledge of multiples, this will be a very easy, again, T-chart to create whenever we have a problem. 3 feet, 1 yard. 6 feet, 2 yards. 9 feet, 3 yards. 12 feet, 4 yards. 15, 5 yards. 3 feet is 1 yard, 6 feet, 2 yards, and so on. Again, multiples of 3. If we know 3 feet is in 1 yard, we can do multiples of 3. Okay? And the last one is yards equals miles. There are 1,760 yards in 1 mile. So yards, miles, 1,760 and 1, 3,520 and 2, 5,280 and 3, 7,040 and 4, and 8,805. So again, if we're using our knowledge of multiples, we're just counting by 1,760 to 1,760s. So adding it together, another 1,760, and again, skip counting our multiples of 1,760. So these are the conversion charts that we are going to be using for U.S. customary.